enti de ehuna bontin nyina na ye na no ko Sammy ye woni Sammy no mo sere ne
asema ye ka no
ya hu yom se hwe ye kan
Sejon
no eye wano
Sejon who you politician it doesn't mean say o culture what to atwene.
I get it.
Obi susu wu a that is why ye tena se na ye sa amamre no you must understand you must feel for people. What you say who you politician it doesn't mean say who needs our feelings na sa asem to wa ana asem to obi a utimi de ko jano no. What you say papa na oye Sammy Gyamfi wafa kan say na se wo no wo ya MPP new I don't feel so NDC ni aware na Sammy Gyamfi no oba aware ni mu dabe ana
na say
me say that sometimes you know people don't know but aware no dabe dabe ko abusuan ni mu dabe aware na de ni ko mu ba abusuan no e wo ho abusuan no ho abusuan no mu free he aha I can tell you say about 80 to 90% of the people no are MPP
and your poor MPP for papa man na you
why na nya na yi a year general secretary aba a year national organizer aba a year former running mate or several running mate as aba no wo say enye MPP for amba. What do you mean?
Second was say who say mo ye party ye no mo anya ne sa
me say
because who
me say na general secretary ko ba bia general secretary ko ba bia nya ye nyina na
ya mom de
enti no me say there's life after politics.
I see
Sammy Gyamfi ya ware na de ni ru abusuanim but abusuana nkasa wo ho abusuana sefo an officer Sammy Gyamfi ko na invite nkofo na people are misleading people. Officer no kwa eto oba no oba papa ne ma no ensefo no Sammy Gyamfi nkwa onu kwa
onu so na na ebori din
unte dia ye kana nti onu nkwa na aware wa busua ni
me kro bi busa me questions na ye onu nkwa na am say anu de meeting
ene sa no mbeka no but there are reasons sometimes obekwa ye ni bekura unnim but future adenti na okosa ade no
what you say mu wi aye ma say microphone trotro na party no nya happy with mpanimfo eba aye ni bi ni adenti you are telling me for the first time say ono kra papa no kra MPP ni ansa kra na Sammy Gyamfi ko
na me say aware
mo be ye mo party ba aye
yes me say aware na de Sammy Gyamfi ko abusuani mu wo ye NDC ni
okay
what you say na abusuana nkasa do mu nya NDC fo what you say wo ye bibia no a dwenko akire wo nwe animanimu he ya dwenko ya busia o na wo asema to wo mo na wo koja wo mo what you say enya political party na wo koja wo mo na why na ma yi chief justice o ana muma hu me kokosua ade wa ade na se o me kokosua ade ankasa e wa ayi na se I went to learn what you say me copy details I went to learn
we uko confirm ni man so ana wan confirm bi
me confirm ni ma ben me say me copy details how relationship etie say na your time MPP ni enya yi a say na esitie ni pa ya mo appointment no mu nya yi a how do they extend can say benevolence to others
but say the what can you say papa no kra no say MPP obi ko bi a nya NDC nti no koye
exactly
obi ko bi a e bi nya MPP ko nti no koye
yes
if you say papa no na oye MPP ni
yes
na Sammy ko mu and ya nti obi okọ bi nti na edu ba bi ana mo microphone bi a she chief justice atade say wa ba NDC ayi no that's wrong because papa na nkasa cross oye MPP ni
na make say at say ade no nipa no bebre no a enti ase what you say and obi obe draw the conclusion no obetima draw the conclusion
okay Matias
what you say me so me tie me kan crofo hu sem I don't know bi ka ma sem na wo bi afrim na okoja obi a eno so something wrong no say how does that affect Najuma way
am for aka
sense kokko ayi
yes awaba ayi
chief justice on kwa ayi
okoyi
hey when you can relation me say now I've come to understand politics say it's all about relationship.
Okay.
What people remember, and they say, as someone told me, ube me. As me kwa hu chiremu, ube me. It's not about the my way. Now the other project in MPP anya. And the other some NDC can yon be winning power.
Paul me da se pa na Dr. Time da so ho. Nti ko